Hey, Nate here with Keyrenter Salt Lake. Today I'm really excited to announce a new free complimentary service that we are offering to our clients, something that we've been working on and asked from many of you to provide. It's taken a lot of time, resources, a lot of effort to get it in place, and we're really proud of the results. So really looking forward to sharing it with you today. We have a few more complimentary services that we're working on as well, and look forward to rolling them out to you over the next few months. But for now, let me explain what we're rolling out. So since we are realtors, and in addition to property management and leasing, we also help our clients buy and sell and trade properties. We are often asked, what is my property worth? You see, a common frustration property owners have is simply not knowing market trends, values, and what's going on, especially in the area of their rental property. And if you're tracking your return on your investment, appreciation, other growth factors, a missing variable is often what is the value? And not just a number, but an understanding of what's happening around your property. So today I'm excited to announce and introduce to you our Keyrenter Market Snapshot. And rather than just telling you about it, I'd like to show you a brief demo.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is in your email, you'll get something from our team or from myself that will provide you with some basic information as well as a link to your market snapshot report. So when you click on that link, and I'm going to pull this over, it's going to take just a moment to load. It might take a minute or so, and then it's going to bring up your snapshot. It's first going to give you a little dashboard of some highlights. Average asking price. Now, one thing I want to point out with average asking price is this is not your home's value necessarily, but it's showing you what the average is. Then when you click on it, you can see the median sold price in the area, which can be very insightful. You can go to the next item here, which is the average sold price based on the asking price, and giving you different insights into your specific area. You have down below here comparables that you can use, and you can look at those and even dive in to each one a little bit deeper. For example, I can go in here and view photos so I can see exactly what this property looks like compared to mine, and I can get some different statistics on this specific property. Now, as I go back here, a few other things. You know, not only there are a lot of comparables that are shown, you can look at it in the map view to see where they're located compared to yours, which is very helpful, and you can click on each one, and it'll bring that up into view. But then you can also change this report, and this is where I feel like this is pretty powerful for you guys. You can click on Change Report, and then you can modify the report. We have this set to be emailed to you every 6 weeks, which we feel like is a pretty good frequency. It might be a little bit too often though, or maybe not enough. And so down here at the bottom, you can change the frequency. If you want this weekly or yearly, or if you don't want it at all, you can change that and modify that, and it's self-serve in that way. So let's modify that to 4 weeks. And then if I want to be a little bit more specific, or maybe I want to see everything that's 3 bedrooms and above, or 6 bedrooms, the narrower we get, the less that we'll see. But we also want to be pretty specific, so we're getting some good data. I'm going to keep that at 5, and I'm going to move this to 3 bedrooms. We'll have this set for your property, but I just want to show you how you can modify this and change that. I'm going to save that. You can also create a new report if you want to have one that's sent to you with certain criteria and a new one that's set with different criteria or even a different address. Feel free to change this, put in a different address. Yeah, if you want to have your personal residence in here, you can create a new report or email us and we can do the same thing for you. There is a communication tool through here as well that allows you to email us directly asking questions. We can, or just pick up the phone and call us. We can dive into this more specifically with your property if you'd like, based on our access to the MLS and other comparables that we can pull. So I hope that you can see how this can be helpful for you in your decision making with your property. Ultimately, we want to help you accomplish your goals, which is why we're providing this to you. So let's jump back to the other view here.
So after seeing the market snapshot in action, I hope you can see how this can be of assistance to you. We'll be preparing these over the next few weeks, and so please watch for the first one to come via email. Now, we are definitely advocates for holding on to rentals long term, but we know that things happen, situations change, and sometimes we just grow tired of a property and maybe want to buy a different one or get out of it completely. If that's on your mind, we hope you'll talk to us about some options. First, we can help the property be a more passive investment for you, or we can turn it into a lease option or rent to own. We can make you an offer for us or our other clients to buy it, or we can even help you sell it with some available client discounts that we have. Now, keep in mind that if you were referred to us by a real estate agent, we will definitely want to refer you back to them, as we value and respect that relationship. So we hope these market snapshots are helpful for you. Should you have any questions with them or want us to dive in deeper, feel free to reach out. Thanks for your trust in your business, and thanks for watching.